Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, let's combine what you know to define what you grow with this 3-pull combo on the path of least resistance.
Clip your leashes shoulder-width apart over the top rail of a sturdy fence. This combination of exercises will maximize intensity while minimizing rest time. The 3-pull combo works your back, shoulders, and biceps with no rest in between. Facing the pick point with the handles around your wrists, start with a full body row. Do a set of 10 solid repetitions. After your 10th rep, put your elbows out to your sides to form a straight line between them. Crank out a set of 10 pristine rotations. Finally, bring your elbows down in front with your palms facing up for 10 strapped bicep curls. And if that's easy, you can go around that cycle again and again. Check your equipment before every workout. Have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it.
To make your back, delts, and buys hearty, it's a non-stop party with this 3-pull combo on the path of least resistance.